Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printer for jewelry. That printer is used in any jewelry making or related industry. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printers for jewelry. Our list includes strong contenders from both budget-friendly and high-end models. The output from these printers is of the highest caliber and will take your jewelry creations to a whole new level. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer. If you're a jewelry designer looking to take your creations to the next level, the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer is the perfect tool for you. With its fantastic print volume, high-resolution screen, and fast printing speed, this printer can help bring your designs to life in a simply stunning way. The automatic resin feeding feature makes printing much easier and more convenient. The best thing about the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max is that it allows you to easily print large and intricate jewelry designs. Whether you're creating a bold statement piece or a delicate charm, this printer can produce highly detailed and precise prints with sharp edges and corners. And with its powerful light source, you can enjoy high-speed printing without sacrificing quality. But that's not all. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max also has a large 13.6-inch screen, giving you plenty of space to work on your designs and bring your ideas to life. The protective film ensures the screen stays safe from accidental spills or scratches. So if you buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box. Number